Hi everybody, I'm Robin and today I've got my Swissball. Now I'm sure a lot of you guys have a Swissball at home, either rolling around in the lounge somewhere or someone's jumping off of it. Maybe you're using it as a seat at your desk. Otherwise I'm sure it's in the garage somewhere tucked away, all flattened and deflated. So I thought it would be a good time to bring up the ball to try and maybe jazz up your exercise routine. I'm going to go through some exercises today that you can do with your ball just to make it a little bit more exciting for you at home. Come check out these exercises and let us know if you like them.